Hello, my name is Oliver Gibbs. I am a Gulick student taking computer science and software engineering. Today I'll be showing you some of the things I've learned that professionals use in the industry while being a Python programmer. First up, I'm going to go over the hypervisors. So here I have Oracle VirtualBox, and this is where I run my virtual machines out of, the application I run it out of. I can take snapshots here, which I'm going to do today. I want to show you how to take snapshots and explain why they're important. First off, the importance of making a snapshot is in case you make a mistake in your code, it possibly corrupts something in your virtual machine, or you mess something up and you have to go back. So this, instead of making you have to restart or do a ton of extra work, you can just go back and start back at a previous point in time that you took a snapshot. In this video, I'm going to be merging Gasoline into beta.dev. I already have the snapshot here, but I can show you how to make one. I'm going to make one real quick. So first, you just press down here, go take. Make sure you actually click on current state, because it won't work. Then change the name. Let's do the same thing, but 2.20.2025, and then pre-gasoline merge into beta test dev. So then you just press OK, and now I have a snapshot right here that is being taken. So everything that is on my snapshot right now, it'll take a snapshot of it as is, and if I click that, it'll go back to it as it was right now as I took the snapshot. Now, since we don't really need this one because I already have one, I can also actually show you how to delete a snapshot. So when you delete one, you just press delete again, and it'll delete it. So now I'm left with my old one that I just had. I'm already, as you can see if you look right here, that's my most recent one, so that's what I'm actually going to be running it in right now. So next up, we will go through GitKraken Desktop. So here is my first branch inside of GitKraken Desktop. This is my welcome branch. Here is GitKraken Desktop. You can see I'm checked out on there. And right here is my program and code. Go here. Let's close this. Go here. We can watch it. We can see it run. Prints this. This is the while loop, right? It's the while loop right here. And then operating system boot up. It's the print function there. Next up, I have beta test dev. Beta test dev. Click back, and it changes back. This one's a little bit longer. So here is beta test dev. You can see all the different things on beta test dev. Run it. You can see my code for my welcome branch in there, running the same thing. You see it runs, everything's all good. Next then, we go to weather. Go there. So this is my weather branch. It's just telling us in limiting our speed limit based on the weather conditions. So if I run, it's the national weather forecast is sunny weather conditions. Our alarm not updated. Drive VRS is not engaged. Travel speed limitations deactivated. Let's run it again. Let's go through a couple iterations. So updated alarm is 60 minutes, so 60 minutes earlier, 55 miles an hour instead. So it changes. You can see all the different ones. There's a bunch. Then next, my last branch is gasoline. So it's similar to the weather run, except it checks how much gas you have in your tank, and the nearest gas station based on how much gas you have left. You run here, warning low fuel, setting GPS route nearest, and then it also tells you how far away it is. Let's run it a couple times, see a couple iterations. 3/4 tank, so you don't need a refill. Full tank, so no refill. Half tank, refill not needed. Half tank again. Let's see if we can get one more. The number. There we go. Low fuel. And so every single time it'll do a random number between a certain range that you make. So now I'm going to be showing you how to merge two branches together. So here I'm going to merge gasoline into beta test dev. So let's check beta test dev out. So we check it out, and then we take gasoline and we just drag it and drop it over there. So then you'll see merge gasoline into beta test dev. Right there. So merge failed and merge conflicts need to be resolved. So if we go here and we look up top, so right here, this is something. So you have to delete that. Delete that. Then scroll down a little bit. Let's see if we can find it. Where is it at? Should be. There it is. Equal signs. And then go down there, right here. Delete. And now since we have conflicts, we have to resolve them. We just did, so we just deleted. Now we just mark all resolved, commit, and merge. Which means now your gasoline and beta test dev are now officially merged. So now what we're going to do is move this code right here, the gas code, your gasoline code, in between the weather code right here and the welcome code right there. So right there, we're going to put it right there. So we're going to go, where's that? Right here. Control X, so it'll delete it and copy it. Then we find out where it's at, right there. Control V, and we should be able to run it. So now, and then if also one cool thing is the moment you change anything, it'll make a whip, which is a work in progress. So right here, stage, and just stage the file. Right there, so we staged it. Then we say put gasoline in between weather and welcome. And stable, because we just ran it and it worked right there, as you can see. Commit changes to one file. So now you can see right there, put gasoline in between weather and welcome.